Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all having an awesome Thursday. I'm Stacy and this is the For Bricks and Giggles YouTube channel. I've got a really fun speed build for you all today. My mom actually found this set on clearance back in the day at Walmart for only $5, and she actually ended up buying all 4 copies they had left on the shelf. And that might be her greatest Lego bargain find of all time, considering this set now goes for well over $100. This set also includes the Professor McGonagall minifigure that comes in a green wardrobe, and it's the only set that contains her, making it one of my favorites for that reason as well. So today's speed build is set 4729, Dumbledore's Office from 2002. So let's get started. So here we have the finished product. If you'd like a For Bricks and Giggles t-shirt like the one I'm wearing, go to my webpage link in the description and click the merch button. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday. See you next time.